No.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Morgan again, and I'm back with another video. This time it's a back to school supplies haul from Wish.com. I ordered from Wish.com, guys. Like, I don't even understand what went in my head for me to go, you know what, I'm gonna order from Wish. You know what I'm gonna do? Order back to school supplies from Wish. What? Why would I do that? I have no clue, but I did. Oh my gosh, shipping is so expensive from Wish. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. But I bought some back to school supplies from Wish.com. Guys, I'm so excited. I actually have not seen any of the stuff that I've ordered. I literally have kept them in the bag. Your girl is quite nervous because I don't know what to expect from Wish. I've seen some people get good things. I've seen some people get bad things. This is literally my first time ordering from Wish. And if you haven't seen this face before, hey, oh, what's up, Homeskilly Biscuit? My name's Morgan, and you should totally subscribe to be part of this bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and let's get started with the video. So I'm gonna show you guys the biggest thing that I got first. Right in here, which is solid color plush pencil case, school pencil cases, bags, stationery for girls, school supplies, tools, NGM. And right now, a little PO'd because it says that it is free, but I paid $3.80 for this, not including the shipping. The shipping was way more, and I'm a little annoyed because now I'm gonna open it. Hopefully it looks what it looks like in the picture. Oh my god, it looks like what it looks like in the picture. Just let me, you know, it's a little, take that. Is this sucker see-through? It looks just like how it does in the picture. It's pink, it's fluffy, it's soft. Let's see if it holds a Sharpie. Oof. Why would you put this in the inner part of where the zipper is? And it's not all on there. What the hell? This is gonna stop it up. Why does it sound like sandpaper? I mean, it does the job. It holds the pencil. It's a little bit like, when you touch it, the stuff comes off, and it's now flying in my room. You will be struggling with the zipper. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up because it looks like what it's supposed to look like. Except for all this little excess fuzzies on the inside. Yeah, you saw that. Oh, you know, it's now in my room. So, yeah. These ones are like really cute. So I'm really excited. So the next thing I got, 6-piece set, cute pill mini highlighter marker, drawing, pen, school, office, supply, kids, student, stationery. Wow, that was a lot to fill in. A little annoyed yet again. Why has everything gone down in price? But they look so cute, and I'm like so excited. Got little faces on them. Oh, Minnie. Look, oh my god, it's so cute. I have to do a close-up. I'm going to do a close-up. But guys, like, look how cute these are. This is pretty much the size that I was expecting them to be. Little mini highlighters. The real question is, let's see if it works. I think I have a notebook in here. We have this. Got what I was gonna write. Okay. We're gonna do the purple highlighter. Oh! You see that? Oh my god. These are some strong highlighters. I'm impressed. This is a good investment. And they're so cute, guys. Like, these are literally super cute. I am super impressed. This gets a thumbs up. Definitely recommend these to you guys. They look exactly how they are, and they're really cheap, and you could get really cute highlighters for only like $3. Like, that's a deal. So I got 3 items that came in this bag. So what I have here is the 10-piece lot cute plush ball paper clips, metal bookmark, binder, clips, organizer, memo, planner, clip, office supplies. Just a lot of words. Anyways, it's free. You know, these prices are changing from like a month ago when I bought them, and now they're free. See what, if it looks like how it does. I wasn't expecting it to look like this. It's literally so tiny. I wasn't expecting all of this. They look like puff balls that are just stuck onto paper clips. Was that legitimately it? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. And I think there are 2 of each color, light pink, dark pink, mint, yellow, and dark blue. Well, not dark blue, but some aqua color. These colors are so cute, guys. What did it say it's supposed to do? Shoot. Why did I think these were gonna be bigger? I literally don't know why I thought they were gonna be bigger. I don't know, because they literally were paper. Wow, I'm an idiot. It's a paper clips on it. I don't know why I thought they were gonna be like super big, like at least like this big, not this big. Been reading this fabulous book. Every chance I get to read it, I read it. However, the bookmarker is a receipt to Culver's. Now, a little not that strong, it's a little slanted. The bookmarker's cute for my book. Some of them aren't even like even, but they look like the picture, which I'm surprised. I think it's a thumbs up. They look like how they're supposed to. I'm shook. Okay, so the next thing, I feel like I'm gonna be upset. Next thing I ordered was some fancy notebook paper. It's the 40 sheets A5/A6 filler papers, loose leaf, notebook, 6 holes, office, school supplies. And I was like, okay, I'll get A6. That should be like notebook size, right? Right, so it should be, where's my notebook? I had a notebook with me a second ago. I was thinking it was supposed to be notebook size. I got A6 because what? I thought it was notebook size, right? Right. We're getting somewhere here. What is this? What is this? This is not notebook size. This is not notebook size. What the hell? I already know I'm gonna be disappointed. $3! I don't even, it doesn't even tell me how much I spent on shipping, and to be honest, I don't even remember how much I spent on shipping. I spent more than what it was? And it's not even what it's supposed to be! I'm pissed! Let's just open it. No. What the hell? I mean, great. It looks like the picture. I got the biggest size. I'm pissed. What am I supposed to do with this? A6 should be bigger. Like, it should be bigger. Like, I'm pissed. It's a school supply. Like, I'm grown. I want colorful paper. Like, if I was in high school, I would want some colorful paper. It came in multiple colors. What can I use this for? What am I gonna use this for? What am I going to use this for? This is a freaking, it looks like the picture, but it's getting a thumbs down because it's literally not notebook size. It's so small. This is the last one from that package, the big package that I had. This one I'm excited for because it's actually for my laptop. It is the Gradient Colors Silicone Keyboard Cover Keypad Skin Protector for computer. I think I got the rainbow colored one. My current one right now, as you can see, is dirty and grayish. And I was like, maybe I just need a new one. So, I mean, I like the fact that everything's cheap on here. I'm just like worried if it's like, alrighty, let's see. I'm so, oh, I didn't get the rainbow one. I think I got the pink one. Oh, I got the pink one. I didn't get the rainbow one. It says color pink. I ordered the pink one. I'm bullish. I'm not mad at it. And it's for, oh my god. It says MacBook for Air 13. I have a MacBook Pro. I didn't even see anything about it for an Air. It says nothing about, oh, for Air. Ooh. Oh, it looks nice. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I'm not mad at it. So let's see. Ripped it off. Okay, so everything's still the same. Okay, never mind. I'm okay. The only thing that's off is it has a power button right here, and my power button is actually right here. It says power button. This is actually to eject because I still have a DVD player. Besides that, everything else is the same. So I'm about to keep this on my laptop because this looks really cute, and I have the marble on my laptop, so I think this is cute. And I love the gradient. It looks so nice on here. Honestly, this was actually a really good purchase, and I'm like really excited that I got this. Wow, like that's nice. This is a huge thumbs up for me. Like huge. Like that. Last thing that's currently here, because I have something else still on its way, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. 1-piece / 3-piece Lultra Otter Animal Gel Pen Signature Pen School Office Supply. Is a sea otter. I thought it was so cute. You know, they have really cute supplies that I know I wouldn't catch at like a Target or a Walmart. Well, at least I wouldn't catch a sea otter there. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna get it. Whatever. And it's $1. I only bought one because I only need one special pet. But it looks so cute, so I'm hoping it looks just like how it did. Oh, I thought I was gonna get a blue one. But this is cute! My goodness, this is so cute! Alright, on the purple paper with this pen that has a protector on it. This is really cute, and I like the fact that it comes with a cap. Oh, look how cute it is! Oh, that's a complete thumbs up, yes. And it's so cute! Like, if you want a really cute freaking pen, then hell yeah, get it from there. Get it from Wish. Honestly, whoa. Okay guys, so this is how I feel about everything that I have gotten from Wish. To be honest, I was actually quite surprised. A lot of the things came like how it was supposed to be. I was really surprised with the skin protector from my laptop. It looked so good on my laptop, you guys. Like, I am so happy that I have this. My laptop looks real nice right now. Every time I look at it, I'm looking at it right now and it looks good. And then what else I really liked was the highlighters. The highlighters work so well and they are so cute, and it's just, I have so many options. I'm so happy. Like, I can't even deal right now. The thing that I was like disappointed in, you guys know I was really upset with the loose leaf paper that was purple. I was excited it was purple, but it wasn't the size that it said it was going to be. And then I was kind of upset with the pencil case just because like I paid so much and it's like the price of a regular pencil case, so I'm expecting it to be good quality, and it's just like the fuzzies are all over the place. You know, there's fuzzies in weird spots, which I don't understand that, and it's a struggle to zip back and forth, so I wasn't really a fan of that. And then everything else I was just like, I was fine with. It was cute, it was great. These are really cute supplies and they are reasonable price, they're cheap. Oh, and I was also disappointed about the marble journal because it didn't show up and it's going to be smaller. And I'll probably update you guys on Instagram if it ends up being smaller than what I thought it is. So definitely follow me on Instagram because I'll show you guys what the marble journal looks like, and if it's smaller than my hand, I'm gonna be mad. Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this fam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and on what's happening, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll peace out. Skillet. Biscuit.